This shit on? Wait, I gotta do it this way, huh? Oh, it's recording. Hell yeah. All right, basically, Justin bought this. This shit was like $4,200 for no fucking reason. He did it. Sponsor us. Hold up. Okay. All right. What we got here today?
Hey, where the flower at, man? D.
Tight shit.
Ignore the oil leaks.
I can't, bro. I gotta be on spot. I can't force it. It gotta be natural.
Oh, what do you mean by that?
That's what CEO not allowed in the car. What you got for them today? Tight shit. We got a tow rig, 444.
You say 444?
Yeah. And 318, and 318, 318. We got the hardest E92 of Atlanta. You can't afford these. You definitely can't afford that. You can't afford that. And you definitely can't afford that. You also have one of the fastest Z's in Atlanta and cleaners, cause you can't afford that. And you can't afford that. And then you got the daily. But big brace with the hee-hees. Your friends is not dookie like us.
God, fake ass nigga.
All right.
Oh shit.
Damn, that motherfucker's shiny.
Oh, my fingers.
I'm holding it.
I'm trying to
Not in the way.
No, you.
I'm trying to slide it.
Yeah, man,
Hold
that
on,
shit dirty.
don't push my thumb in there.
Okay.
I gotta move it to the right a little bit. To the right. What you doing?
I don't know what you looking at.
Tight shit.
Bruh, what's going on? Is it not lining up?
You need a you blaze.
No, you're not lying.
Hold on, let's take this whole shit off and put it inside of it.
Terry, I keep moving.
Sorry.
Don't you just love it when men?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I wish you had money like this. Not you, Terry. Your other people.
This shit looks so insane, and you will never see this. You have to do the pressure plate, 24 foot-pounds of torque. That bit like it's spinning a little bit too much.
Look, you got the logo on. Just wait till you put
Excuse me. When you left?
Please, sure.
Was it switch on when you
it.
came back?
Is it good for you right here?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Was the switch turned in the on position?
Scary story.
Hold the light, bitch.
That was kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie. How the fuck? Nah, all right. That's why I got the light, bitch. I will outspit.
That shit gonna be like lava spitting on the top. Oh my god. That shit almost decapitated.
Alright, we are back on the road. New clutch installed. Man, this car needs so much work. Hood faded, everything. So we're about to get ready to go ahead and dip. Let me move this car real quick. I got Mark driving my little daily over here, so we can take both cars home. It's gonna be a long night. Hopefully, no issues. Clutch works just fine, and we get home. All right, so we are in the Batmobile, and it's looking good right now. Car shifting smooth, no issues there. Man, this clutch is so aggressive. So we went with the, I think it's Tilton Master Slave and the OEM Slave paired with a twin disc clutch, and man, this clutch is very, very stiff. Never thought I would have such a stiff clutch before, and this is like my third clutch change, but man, definitely know how to get used to it. Currently only got about 5 miles on it right now. hit 100 before we do a full pull, so we probably won't see anything just tonight, just yet. But that's all good. As long as this car drives all the way home, we have about a 40-minute drive. And then we have to go back so I can drop off Mark. But yeah. Other than that, I think we're just about good to go. It's very, very aggressive. So I've been having an issue with this guy right here. It's pretty much tightened all the way as much as it can, but as you can see, still very freaking loose. So I got another one. Let me go find it. Look at that. Definitely needs to be changed. Let's go ahead and put them new parts on. All right. I had to like actually bend it a little bit because it was too tight, but that's even better. So shouldn't have any movement coming from here anymore. Hope the car starts, right? All right, let's go ahead and see if it starts up. Man, I really got to clean this car up. Can't lie to you. I've been in first. Almost stalled. We're in business. Easy fix. Easy fix. All right, we back on the road again. Man, my camera looks crazy. Much better. But yeah, we are. Oh, let's get to it.